continue studying the beautiful story, The Little Round Red House, written by Caroline Sherwin Bailey. People explore the world for experience and knowledge, but sometimes the best experiences are right under their noses and they are unaware of it. Here is an experience of a little boy who explored his surroundings to find out a little red round house. The Little Round Red House, written by Caroline Sherwin Bailey. Before starting the lesson, let me introduce the author to all of you. Caroline Sherwin Bailey was an American writer of children's literature. She was born in Hoosick Falls, New York, and attended Teachers College, Columbia University, from where she graduated in 1896. Her stories for children include Boys and Girls of Colonial Days in 1970, Broad Strips and Bright Stars in 1990, Hero Stories in 1990, and The Little Rabbit Who Wandered Red Wings in 1945. She wrote for the Children's Hour in collaboration. In 1947, her book Miss Hickory won the Newbery Medal. Now let's start the lesson. On a cold, rainy and windy Saturday in October, a little boy was bored. He went down to the kitchen where his mother was reading the newspaper and he said, "Mom, I don't know what to do. I am bored. His mother looked up from her paper and smiled. "Why don't you draw a picture with new crayons?" "I already drew 100 pictures," he said. "I am bored. "Well, why don't you read one of your new library books?" she suggested. "I already read all of my books 1,000 times. I am bored, he said. "How about playing with your toys?" she said. "I already played with 1,000,000 toys. I am bored. Now let me explain this much. On a cold, rainy and windy Saturday in October, the little boy went down to the kitchen where his mother was reading a newspaper. He always complained about his boredom. The mother asked the boy to engage himself by drawing pictures with his new crayons, reading new library books, or playing with his toys. Even though the mother suggested many activities, the son said that he was still bored. Now let us read the rest of the chapter. Most of the time, mother don't like it when their children say they are bored. "I was never bored when I was your age," they say. Though this cannot be true, can it? The little boy's mother thought for a bit and then she said, "I remember one day when I was your age, I was bored. My mother, your grandmother, sent me out to search for the strangest little house. If you would like, I can tell you just what she told me to do." The little boy looked up. His mother was bored once. That was interesting. She said, "First you need to put on your raincoat and your hat and your scarf and your mitten and your boots. Then you need to go outside and then you need to walk up the block and down the block and around the block to look for that little house." "What kind of a little house?" the boy asked. "It is a little round red house with no windows and no doors, a chimney on top, and a star in the middle, she said. Now, let me explain this much. Most of the time, mothers don't like it when their children said they are bored. Isn't it true? His mother said that when she was a child, his grandmother asked her to search for the strangest little house to overcome boredom. The little boy looked up. He thinks that his mother was bored once. That was interesting. The boy got ready to go outside. He put on the raincoat, hat, scarf, mittens, and his boots. His mother told him about the way to reach the little house. Students, block means house. The boy wanted to know about the little house. She said that it is a little round red house with no windows and no doors, a chimney on top, and a star in the middle. So, that's question corner. The first one, what did the little boy always complain about? The answer is, the little boy always complained about his boredom. The second question, what activities did the mother suggest to engage the little boy? The mother asked the boy to engage himself drawing pictures with his new crayons, read new library books, or playing with his toys. The third question, what did the boy's grandmother ask his mother to do to avoid boredom when she was a child? The answer is, the boy's grandmother asked his mother to search for the strangest little house to overcome boredom when she was a child. Do the rest as homework. I hope you enjoy the story. We will go through the rest of the chapter in the next class. Some unfamiliar words. Put on, to wear. Mittens means a type of glove covering 4 fingers together and the thumb separately. Another words, a bit. A bit means a short time. This is an assignment. Prepare a short profile of Carolyn Sherwin Bailey using the hint given below. Have a nice day. Thank you.